This is how we can stop WhatsApp background activity on your iPhone. So you need to open up the settings, and on the main page, go entirely at the bottom where you can find the apps section. This is where you can manage specific apps and their respective settings. So you can look up WhatsApp in the search bar, or I like to use the scrolling like panel or letters on the side where I can easily jump back and forth. I'm going to go to W, and there is WhatsApp. And we can see a couple of different things in here, like the location, access to camera, and at the bottom we also have background app refresh. And this is essentially the background activity. So this means that whenever you are not using WhatsApp, at least you don't have it open. If this toggle is on, it means that the app can still access the internet and return you with the fresh information whenever you open up the app. So it depends on how you want to have it set up, but this is where you can manage it. Another thing is the location, which is entirely at the top, right? And there you can also decide if the location is supposed to be used never while using the app or always. And when you choose always, it means that even in the background of the app might be active in the sense that it can access your location. So this is another place where you might be interested in tweaking the settings. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you did what you wanted to and achieved your goal. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.